So, guys, unbox lang natin yung mga nakuha natin sa seminar. So, happy Women's everyone! So, una nating nakuha. Nabunot tayo sa raffle. Dito SIM card. And phone stand from dito. And also, we got 2 loot bags. Isang yung purple, We Gender Equality and Inclusive Society. So, ang nakuha natin, calendar from Upslide, yung notebook and pen from Upslide, bonus water, isang pita from Ate Gina and dalawang pita sa Ecobag, isang Rebisco cracker, isang lemon square cheesecake, isang money organizer, and pH Care 150 ml with real guava leaf extract, and isang green eco bag, paper bag from Ever Organics. May 3 siyang laman. So, isang Hello Glow Serum Bio Cream. Ingredient niya, kojic acid plus glutathione. Isang Everbrelena Serum Lip Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Sangria pa. And isang from Ever Organic Papaya Whitening Booster Serum Cream. Made in Korea. That's all. Yun ang lahat natin natanggap sa event. See you on my next video. Bye.